Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Tonight, and I say tonight because it is 20 to 10 at night here in Bangkok, Thailand, and it's just the start of our journey to get to Newcastle, UK. What Airbus A380 flight to Dubai, and then from Dubai we've got a Boeing 777 flight to Newcastle, UK. Proper red eye, overnighter, not looking forward to this. Keep the bags safe. No, it just keeps them safe and they can spot them easier when they get back. Wow, it's busy here tonight. Probably the busiest I've seen this airport. And this is where we need to be. And we're being called towards the first class. Oh yes. Fortunately we're not flying first class. Saudi Cap.
What time you fly? Flight has gone. Too late.
There's the bags are going. That's just checked in. Now for the worst part about airports, going through security, having to strip your bags. Oh, I hate this bit. That's it. We're through, done the passport control, done the bags, done all that crap, and now we're in departures. And we've got a mile to walk to get to a gate. Now don't let me do what we done last time and walk past the gate. Just you keep an eye out. Our gate is S113. So like I say, make sure I don't go past it and miss it like we did last time. Name of that jewelers, Chow Ta Fook. So it looks like we've got to get escalator, a train, and another escalator. Sorry, we've got to get an elevator, a train, and another elevator. Yay! Ow!
Your doors closing.
Don't know why I said ow there. It was my freaking bag I hit. Not like it hurt. What an idiot!
Doors opening.
And when I said bag, I didn't mean ball bag, I meant like rucksack bag. Otherwise it would have been no. Okay, I was wrong. It was an elevator, then another elevator, then possibly a train.
And in between it was another check.
Then another check, yeah. Right, to put our boarding passes through. Now we're at the train station.
I think we're gonna miss this one.
Follow that dude. Must be this side. Oh, it's time for that little banger tune when the doors open. Dun, 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 dun. Ready? Listen to this banger. When it opens, let them off first. Then this side opens. Ready? Okay, they're gonna check it first. We're waiting for the song. Dun, 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 dun. He knows the song, he knows. Ready? Nope. So long clip. Not that song. Ready for the banger again?
The train is about to leave the station. Please stand clear from the doors and hold your strap or handrail firmly.
各位乘客请注意，本列车即将离站。
Sorry, talking over it. We might get to hear it this time without interruption.
The train and mind the gap between the train and platform.
下车时，请检查您的随身行李。
Might hear it this time.
列车与月台间隙。
So gapให้บริการ
Time to get in another elevator. For good luck. Well, welcome to seat 66D. This is our home for the next 7 hours. I just got told I'm not allowed to film. Guess what? I'm filming.
حوضا إلا أنه بالتأكيد قيم ويستحق اهتمامكم لأنه يتعلق بسلامتكم. تضع طيران
Well, meal time, and I'm getting the scrambled eggs. Interesting's getting the chicken. I wish I'd get the chicken. welcome to Dubai. We're here for a couple hours and then on to the next plane, all the way to Newcastle, where it's snowing. Yay. Oh, look at this. Time for the Fix Dubai chocolate. This is the one that started it all. Well, you can hear in the background the morning prayer, which is piped through the airport, but Fix, we've gotten it. We've gotten it, Ellie.
We've got the Dubai chocolate.
The real original one. You could say, Ellie, we've got our fix. High five the camera. So in Dubai, you go through one gate type of thing, then you go downstairs and you go and wait at another one. Now there's nothing down here apart from toilets, so if you want to take any drinks with you, get them up here before you go down here, because you can't go back up here once you went down here. Got it? Got it? Good. I was very tired. I've been awake for a day and a half.
سيادة رسالتكم تسجيل الطائرة بالوقوف برقم حرارتكم والبقاء جالسين مع عدم ربط عزوة المقاعد. Ladies and gentlemen, we are refueling the aircraft. Please remain seated and keep your seatbelt open. Thank you.
And welcome to seat 36D on this Emirates Boeing 777. So we've been delayed here in Dubai because of fog. Yeah, that's foggy. Breakfast, we've got a yogurt, a muffin, fruit and an apple and cinnamon Danish. So lunchtime, and Tristan got the braised beef and I got, when I can open it, the chicken curry. There's a cheese salad, some sort of crumble, not sure, cheesy biscuits, some what they're called, sour cream cheesy corn nibbles, and a bun and a bottle of water. Cool. Well, there we go, we're back in Newcastle. I'm not going to lie, it's heckin' freezing.
Okay, so we're going to Badlington, yeah?
That's it, yes. Taxi time, go home, get warm.
Had some find some trousers after this.
Well, that's it. We're back home now. It is absolutely freezing. So, I'm going to change out a t-shirt and put a jumper on, and I'm going to put some jeans on. Whoop whoop, chicken soup. Not Anywho, see you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.